this is Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find out how many Apple device is connected to your Apple account. We can do this or check this in iPhone 14 Plus. You can use any phone to do this. You can go to the setting in this case. Here we go, setting. Hit this one. In setting at the top, it should appear your name, your account information. Hit that one. Here you will appear all the information, but not there exactly at the bottom. You can see all the phones, they are connected with your account. So you can see here I have iPhone 14 Plus, Apple Watch, iMac, iPad, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 and MacBook Pro. All these devices connected with my account. And more detail about all the device you can find out just clicking the device. You can get more information. You see all the information, serial number, many things appear. So very easy guys, this is the way you can find out all the information, all the devices connected to your Apple account. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.